Hey guys, in this video what we are going to do is we are going to find out the exact image URLs of products that are published on Odoo. A lot of the times what happens is you need the exact URLs of the products to send data to a different platform, let's say Google Merchant Center or any other platform, or even if you are maintaining a database. And it's really hard to get the exact image URLs of the products because Odoo stores those images as Base64 format. So if you try to export it from the product list, you're going to get really big line of text, and that's not gonna do anything. And it's really easy to get the exact image URLs. Uh, it just needs some cleaning from in the Excel sheet, and I tried to find this online, but not a lot of people had an efficient and easy solution. So let's start and do everything right from scratch. Let's say you have a website, you have products live on your store, and you want to get the image URLs of those products. What you need to do is go to website, go to e-commerce, click products, change the view from grid to list, and I'm just going to select this first 5 products, click on action and export. Now here it's a list of all the columns that Odoo can export, and we don't need all this. We just need external ID, external ID, and just to understand these steps better, I'm also going to export name and maybe internal reference. You can also export SKU or any other thing. I just need I just want to make this video easy to understand, so I exported these 2 columns. Honestly, you can also do this with just external ID, and I'm just gonna click export. Just gonna save it on desktop, save, and let's open this file. Don't save. Okay, so the file is now ready. You can see 3 different columns: external ID, name, and reference. I'm just gonna add 3 more columns next to external ID, and I'll name them clean stage 1, clean stage 2, and final URL. Okay, now your Odoo products image URL depends on this external ID, and we just need to clean this. It depends on this code. Let's say 2092.2428.5761, etc. So the next thing you need to do is open this link, which has the right formulas. And the formulas are designed in a way to take input so that your external ID is in column A. So this is the first formula, this is second, and this is the third. Here I missed is equal to, so make sure to add is equal to and have inverted commas on the both sides. We'll do it and we will find out how. So let's copy this first formula and paste it in our Excel sheet, clean stage 1. Okay, and I'm just going to copy this formula to all these products. So now you can see the external ID has some of the characters cleaned up. Now the things, now it is starting with 2092.2428.5761. So export underscore product dot template has been removed. Now we are going to the second stage, and on the second stage we'll copy this formula, and always make sure that your external id is in column A. If by chance it is in column B, C, or D, you just need to change this from A to B or C or D, and then again this to the respective columns. I'm just gonna copy this and paste it here. So and again drag it down all the way to the bottom. So now you can see the part after the underscore has also been removed. So now we just have these four numbers. This is what the URL depends on. So on the final URL, we need to copy this formula. Again, make sure to add is equal to and inverted commas. It's not added here. I missed that. So I'm just going to add is equal to inverted commas and copy the link, and again inverted commas, paste. Let's drag this down. So now you have found the URLs of all the images. My domain is drink-ca, so I'm just going to change this to drink-ca. I'm just going to drag it down all the way to the bottom. Okay, so it's done now. These are the actual working URLs. Uh, if you want to test, here is our product name, Alberta Pure Vodka 1140. This is our image, and I'm just going to open incognito window and paste the URL here, and it's working. And if you want to get high resolution image, you just need to change 512 to 1024 and you will get a bigger image. Or if you want to get really small image, you can change this to 256 and you will get a smaller version of the image. So that's it. I hope this video was helpful, and I'll add the link to this link in the description. If not, you can also type it out. It's kind of easy. Just bit.ly tppc dash odoo oddo, sorry, I misspelled it, dash pr dash img dash url2. I'll add this link in the description and hope the video was helpful. Bye bye. Take care.